Tada! Medyo kakaiba to. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Moira and I am turning 26 in 2 days. Oh my god. So, it's a Sunday. I'm just at home because I'm gonna have a kind of DIY birthday photo shoot. Ayan, if kita nyo may newspapers na doon, kalahati pa lang nagagawa ko, then gagawin ko tong above the cabinet. Gusto ko kasi every year merong kahit pa panong theme, hindi naman sobrang kailangan bongga, pero I think it's just more fun that way, and my theme for this year is of course the Eras Tour, or basically anything Taylor Swift theme. So kaya may newspaper dyan because, you know, reputation, ganon, and then I have these sunglasses for red. Bumili din ako ng pink and red balloons para lang may something pink and girly. Ewan ko. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'll just finish that up. Then mag-makeup na ako. Ayan. So nag-ayos na ako. Okay na yung makeup. Tada! Napalit na yun ako. Hintay ko na lang ngayon si Micah. Masan ka, Micah? Ayan, na nag-aayos din para mag-photoshoot din siya. Kasi sayang ang cool nung newspaper thing. Kasi sobrang dali lang niyang gawin. Kailangan mo lang talaga is dyaryo tsaka tape. O, diba? Also got a lunchbox cake from, paano pronounce? Agu Cakes for this photo shoot din. And nakita ko na siya kanina and it's so cute. Ito, tignan niya. Tada! It's so cute. Red, lang siya. Red, ganon, for Taylor Swift. Ayun. Kailangan natin mag-shoot with this. Hey, game! Let's go. Let's do this photo shoot. And also change into the second outfit last na to. It's just a dress na may cutout. Ang cute to. Tapos gumawa din ako ng 26 na shadow thing. Basta, mamaya pakita ko. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. So, ito po yung setup natin. Ayan, may flashlight na nakaipid doon. Number 26 si Micah. Nahawak dito yung number, tapos yung cellphone sa kabila. Tapos, ayan, 26. Ang cool! That's a wrap for today's photo shoot. Hi everyone, it's the midnight of January 9 and I am officially 26 years old. So happy birthday to me. Teka lang, buksan ko yung ilaw para makita nyo ako. Oh my god, that's bright. Okay, so my parents gave me these a while ago and nakita ko pa lang yung wrapper. Alam ko na kung ano laman nito. So I thought let's open and unbox it together. It's a mini Bratz! 26 na ba talaga ako? Kasi sobrang natutuwa pa rin ako dito. So, these are mini Bratz. So, basically, mini size sila ng mga actual Bratz dolls na nilabas dati. And sobrang love ko ang Bratz. As in, I grew up on it. Iba talaga yung joy na nadadala sa akin ng Bratz. Let's see kung ano makuha ko. Because I already have 4. Meron akong 2 Rock Angels, tapos may Sasha and Megan. So, each box may laman siyang 2 random characters. Ay, my god. It's another Rock Angels, pero wala pa ako nito, si Jade. Oh my god, meron akong doll nito dun sa closet ko. Oh my god. Next, we have Chloe. Oh my gosh, ang cute. It's the girls' night out. Favorite ko si Chloe. And, tinan nyo. This is my first ever Bratz doll. And ito, actually, different collection to. Pero similar sila ng suot. Ayun, naka-blue dress din kasi siya dito. Tapos ito yung sa prom, I think, nila. Okay, second box. This one is Jade, na girls' night out. Ang cute! Oh my god! I cannot. 26 na ba talaga ako sa lagay na to? Pero oh my god! medyo kakaiba to. Kasi ito yung, ano ba tawag dito? Funky fashion makeover. Yung heads na make-upan mo. Meron akong ganito, pero si Dana yung meron ako. But this one is Chloe, who again is my favorite. Tapos na nyo pati yung likod. Meron siya nung actual print ng mga Bratz dolls boxes from before. So, oh my god, how cute. I love it so much. Yay, I have new Bratz dolls. Hey guys, it's around 4 p.m. na. Nag-leave pala ako today from work kasi meron kasing meeting ngayon sa work on site and I'm like, I don't wanna do that on my birthday. So, ayun, nag-leave na lang ako tapos naglalaro lang ako ng Hogwarts Legacy and I'd rather do that than be stressed. Anyways, kakadating lang nung cake na in-order ko and oh my god, I'm so excited. Medyo nasilip ko na siya ng onti kanina pero ngayon, titignan na natin siyang buo. Wait. So cute! Oh my god! Wait lang. Kakita ko sa inyo. So, this is where I got my cake. And look at it. It's so cute! Oh my gosh, sobrang bagay din siya sa box. Ang ganda ng box, in fairness. Oh my gosh. Just says 1998 Moira's version. Ginawa ko lang siyang medyo plain na background kasi meron ako mga butterflies na ilalagay ko sa gilid ng cake. And yeah, it's so cute. We're just gonna have a simple dinner here at home with my family. So yeah, yun lang yung agenda ko for my birthday. I am all dolled up. This is my outfit for dinner. Ano lang to? Dress na nabili ko sa Shopee and then I got these shades from a long time ago. Very, lover era. Also, I just had to do it 13 times 2. Tada! Welcome to my party. Kami lang talaga sa bahay na nandito. So, I just ordered chicken from Nonos, then itong truffle pasta and pesto, and yung pizza is from Gudo. Then, just have pancit and barbecue from Eneng's. Nag-order din ako ng 24 chicken. And then, this is my cake! Ayun, dinagdagan ko siya ng butterflies that I got from Shopee para may lover era din. Then, itong banner is, well, luma na to, pero very, din siya, speak now and fearless. Wow!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Who's driving right now. Ayan, kakayating lang namin ng Verties because we're gonna watch Anyone But You. Parang tagal ko na rin hindi lumabas. Joke lang, lumabas pala ako ng Friday. Pero I've been seeing on TikTok na maganda raw. So, I hope maganda. Kasi yung trailer niya medyo okay lang. Ganun. Ayun, umuulan na. Okay, dito na kami. Hey, tapos lang ng movie. Saya naman. Saya naman. Parang, anong time? Di ba lang ata kami dito sa sinehan? Walang tao. Lang kami. Pero nakakatawa yung movie. Ang gwapo ni Gwen. So, I just got home from Verties. Mini haul lang because Kim got me some pasalubong from the States. Pumunta siya nung over the Christmas break. And ngayon ko pa titignan. And may pinasabay kasi ako. Okay, so she got me, cute milk chocolate gingerbread cookie with other natural flavor. We have this Bath & Body Works warm vanilla sugar na, ano to, diba? Hand gel. Ayan, cute. Oh, sabi niya, it's a luggage tag. Sabi niya, for all the trips we're gonna have together. So we're gonna have a trip soon. I'm so excited. Next time ko na kwento sa inyo saan kami pupunta. Ooh, we also have a keychain of the San Francisco Bridge, I think. And last but definitely not the least is this one. Sweet Tooth. Second edition by Sabrina Carpenter. I have yung first one niya, and then ito yung second niyang labas, which is Caramel Dream. Okay, I'm so happy. I love Sabrina Carpenter so much. Hindi ko siya i-unbox dito. Gusto ko siya gawin ng parang TikTok video. So, abangan niyo sa TikTok or sa IG ko. Hi everyone! So today, it's Feb 9 na. And I am going to get my ears pierced. Medyo excited na kinakabahan. Kasi never pa ako nagpa-piercing. Meron naman akong butas. Pero ito yung like nung bata pa ako. So magpapadagdag lang ako dito sa lobe. Hindi ko lang kung masakit ba siya or anything. Feel ko hindi naman. Sana. I don't know. It's early. I'm gonna try to take videos there. So, yun. Hindi ko alam. Kasi baka mamaya bigla akong kabahan. Sure.
Ito yung excess line. Ito. 1, 2, 3. Yung X po ba yung sa second or the lagay ko lang po. So, what time po yung appointment niyo today?
11.
Next one po. Yeah, she's a pierced girl now.
Okay, I have new piercings na. Kita ba? Hindi ko alam. Nakaupo kasi yung tenga ko. So, ayan. Meron, I got 2 sa lobe. Sakto lang naman yung sakit niya. Parang feeling ko kinagat lang ako ng insekto or something. Pero hanggang ngayon, medyo na-feel ko na masakit siya. Pero kaya naman. Kapag nag-heal na to sa kabilang tenga naman. Hi, it's still the same day. And hapon na. And now, pupunta naman ako ng Vertiz. Because I'm finally gonna be watching Mean Girls! I'm so excited. Ang tagal ko nang hinihintay ito. Especially since na-delay sa Pilipinas ng 1 month. Dahil nga sa MMFF. So, ngayong Feb pa lang siya pinapalabas. So, today's Feb 9. Exactly a month after my birthday. And ngayon ko siya i-celebrate with my friends. So, yung manood kami. And then dinner. And then, of course, I just had to dress up as Regina George. Kinda like what she wore in the first movie. So, itong t-shirt, it says a little bit dramatic. And I just put a pink jacket kasi medyo pink cardigan siya nun, pero kailangan ko jacket kasi malamig. Then a skirt, and then I also have this necklace that says M kasi diba may R siya na necklace. And then nilagyan ko na pala ng extra earring dito sa ear ko. Hindi ko alam, sana hindi naman siya ma-infect or anything, pero wala naman akong naramdaman. Then ito yung bag na dadaling ko. Ang cute, no? So this is from sa Shopee ko to binili, pero ito yung dala ko nung nag-Japan kami. Hey! Yay! We're complete for first time this year. Paakyat na kami to watch Mean Girls. So excited. First time natin itong manood after pandemic.
Yeah. Na complete.
Oo.
May minions. Hi, I got this t-shirt that says Migrant Girly because I am a migrant girly. Yes. Ito na yung gift ni Moira.
Napili ka lang actually.
Ito ba? Ito na talaga. Thank you.
Matatawa ka doon.
Hello, gorgeous. I-explain ni Carrie.
Wala ka pa kasing piercing. So yan, ay ear toss.
Pwede ba tayo lagay?
Oo, yan.
Thank you.
Ay, si Cinnamaro.
Ang cute. Thank you. Ganyan na siya.
May crack siya.
Meron sa loob.
Abag ba to? Oo. Tapos chicken.
May hanger. Ba't may hanger?
Kasi kasi binibili
O talaga?
Ano yan? 13 years old. 20, 31
yung mga brands na apparel sa States. Diba? Gusto ko yung mga may luma. Thank you! Thank you guys. Guys, pagpatay card. Kinuha namin sa movie counter. Kasi kali na ako. Yay! Display na ako bago sa Warren. Display na ako.